Beloved, today is another day the Lord has made for you and I know you are fine. And also, miniwa di nshia mo a mepesi esua ade kakra. Nene ade a yebesua kidney, yebesua ade afa ye kidney ho. Kidney yare adoso bebre e wo wiase. Ghana ha titru. And now beti we anya kidney problem, and we anya kidney problem, and we anya kidney problem. E kwan ben ye befa so ye behwe kidney ye. Na de nkwa na de kidney yare ba. Na kwan ben so mpo ene behu se ye nya kidney problem anase kidney yare. Unsaka video yi anase wo hu video ya share na obi enhwe bi na ye nyina ye create awareness na ye mo ye kidney ho ban because u kidney say ya me enya ade a ye beka se minyime de ma sa na wo so me so me de say anya ade a wo beka se ye nyime de mfama wo eti share video yi na obi enhwe bi obi hu bi na ye nyina ye mo ye kidney ho ban ye ka se kidney na eden eye honama kwa bi a Nyankopon boy no o design it is a beans. It is a bean shaped organ located in either side of onfin e ho na ehhehye na two Nyankopon bo kidney no o ma right side kidney no e ba form kakra bi chen left side no it we anatomically the right side kidney is a little bit lower than the left side. And a kidney no ewo sonny bioma a friend the nephrons or the glomerulus, nephrons and glomerulus, or mon a sonny nsuo and in yamaniema ewo kidney nim. Afe so Nyankopon connected tubes me you be a friend ureters. It is a Johnson and as nsuo ebegu kidney na kidney ni sonny we na de enye na aye Johnson na fa ureters nim na ba begu urinary bladder nim na afe ehon so egu ho na Johnson de wa na tube being so connected from the urinary bladder na your friend the urethra na aba na be rabema sebi obema ni mo penis ni na wadwen so anase oba o vaginal orifice anase clitoris ono na eno so apie na kidney what are some of the functions of the kidney? The kind kidney no na juma eyenie excretion of waste and toxins eno na sonny insuo fin so na excrete and say a yini nyina gu which is the toxins and the waste. Kidney no na number one function no the toxin eni regulation of the pH which is the acid and base e woni padua no kidney no na regulate say acid ne be wosoro acid ne be normal base ne be wosoro base ne be normal. So another function of the kidney is regulation of acid and base. The toxin yen the kidney is responsible for the production of erythropoietin. You can say erythropoietin a hormone bia a produce red blood cells. And hormone bio produce red blood cells in the erythropoietin. The kidney is also responsible for the controlling of high blood pressure. And then the control the blood pressure ensure a wo nipa duamu doswa. And I'm saying moja no the major part of moja which is the plasma no nsuo ni ntino kidney no be yi nsuo no more afri ni paduani said ye moja e won ho no enkodoso na ma akoma no moja wo se kogum na ebo no enye bebre a de blood pressure hypertension be banti kidney no so on the control the blood pressure. The kidney also controls water balance. Te said me kan sisi am eno na se nsuo edoso ni paduani ma wo be honho na wo be edematous anaso be nya the puffy nature. Kidney no ena obe regulating nsuo no na we yi dodo na frim na fe de o ma nsuo no I am moderate and minimum for the required body. Afen so kidney na dwuma eyenie it maintains electrolyte balance. Ye ka electrolyte e be a phosphorus, e be a potassium, e be a calcium and other nutrients. Electrolyte ni ye honam nutrient nkitin bia ye nya wo nuane ni nsuo enuane mu te say drinking eti kidney no be regulate oma ebi ennoso enchen bi obema ni nyina I am moderate required by the human body said ye enkodoso na say eso nkote na eniema ben ena essay kidney eniema ben na say kidney odofo teachings ya me ye share video no na obi nhwe bi ni nyina ye mo ye kidney ho ban nipa bebre no mu kidneys say but omunim say enyema nkitin bi omo ye na ema kidney say kidney ya refers na enno so nansen akwa ketwa kra no nya kidney damage panyini akra obi abetima nya kidney disease but nansen the prevalence of kidney is too rampant enti na me teaching say share video no na obi enhwe bi said ye bebo ye kidney ho ban de di kan overuse of painkillers omo tano no painkillers bebre no o say kidney. Example is paracetamol, codeine, morphine, tramadol, and all other painkillers, cocaine, painkillers. Overuse of painkillers will sell kidney. Obi o use painkillers baby will sell kidney. Eating too much processed foods and also be sell kidney. You can't say processed foods are anything. And when you be a assistant free the naturality, then I call another form. Aya ne bi wo can muniame. Uta di ne dodo bebra obe sell kidney. Not drinking enough water. Obi a on time no nsuo dodo bia o sell kidney because kidney no oye sonye. It is a niema bi ko gu kidney nim na wa nya nsuo ama na hono sa niema na nsone na o sell kidney. Enu nti na me ye teaching si me nsuo esi mi nchen. I'm sipping a glass of water. That just by the way. Also, eating too much meat, example, especially fresh meat. Obi a open na mono bebre no o sell kidney. Why am I saying so? Obi a owe na mono bebre bia na after digestion protein no. And na mono na chi no waste products bia friend uric acid crystals. Ni nyina timi ko gu kidney ni mo etete kidney ni so ne ye na ye friend the nephrons or the glomerulus no. Nephrons ni glomerulus na nye pe but omu nyina aye sonye and ye must o kidney ni mo. Obi otawe na mono bebre bia sa byproduct of protein e na mo na wa we ne friend uric acid crystals no ekotete kidney ni so ne ye no na ma o kidney no say afen so obi ope ensan bebre bia o kidney na wo se no tie e man sanum bebre ense o kidney and sanum bebre will sell kidney. Too much alcohol will sell kidney. Especially me alcohol be a din. Alcohol den will sell kidney. Also, anybody who smokes will be a unknown cigarette, beer, any form of cigarette, being it marijuana, cigarette, any form of smoking, beer, you are destroying your kidney. After too much intake of sugar, already will say kidney no more and salt. Sugar and salt, you are destroying the kidney more because salt and sugar, I see children in more na would no at the kidney ne son yano, it all say u kidney no. Afe tie adia me be chire yim. Obi a wo hypertension, high blood pressure, which is above 120 millimeters of mercury and the diastolic and also ebia 80-90 above more than 120 millimeters of mercury. And a diastolic and 80 or 90 millimeters of mercury and above biano. Obi a hypertension with jabruso biano. Fashion will tell me say one ma wa dwam komu jabruso so u kidney be say. Ne kwan be na be fa so be say u kidney. Nyankopon bo kidney no wodi ntinin keten bi ewura kidney ni nche omo na supply kidney ni moja. Kidney na aduane odi aye moja. Enti mo na anya moja bruso no. Yefra ade bi atherosclerosis and ade mojabruso ba. Deposition of fat or cholesterol in the veins and arteries. So srade and cholesterol bi mu etata ewuntini ni mu a na ese pipe nsuo nam na mu asi entimi nko eti da bia na ma koma ne bon tentem da kromeshara kire hypertension pa enti obi a wo hypertension bia na eye cholesterol ene srade na ekoso no ema intini na supply kidney no moja no emusi eti kidney no onya aduane eye moja eni na kidney no na shrinke na essay eti wo moja broso high blood pressure mo ni nko ho anya se kidney be say obi nso a owo diabetes bia fa hye otirim se wa ma wa adwena nko ho a o kidney ne be say ne kwan be na diabetes e fa so a essay kidney ye ka se diabetes a elevation of sugar level in the blood or glucose which is above 14 millimoles biano consistently and persistent no u kidney no ebetimi asay because asichire na adoso ewo moja ni no entren kitenketena or supply kidney no moja no asichire ni timi kwota santini nim na no so asimu kwan na etete kidney no na fe so ema moja blood vessels nketen no ema sa intinin keten na moja ni nam no elusine elasticity sa moja tubes na nam no ehu na akatwom eti mo na asichire etata mu ye fe bi arteriosclerosis hardening of the blood vessels that lets it loses its elasticity and also ebe say u kidney no mo amope ko bi bebre no teso anya say u kidney be say superku bebre no te so anyesa wo kidney ebesai sikyire nuane bebre te so anyesa wo kidney ebesai eti niema we mu na esai kidney na kidney yare no ebi ni de ye fra bibi renal calculi ne kire se kidney ne sone ye no ni nyina tete eti ama sone ni ntimi sone asikyire ntimi sone nkyere etimi sone srade eduru ho na ni nyina kogu kidney nim na abobon ton na dane abo any friend kidney stones and I say renal calculi a kidney yare baako ye fra bibi nephrotic syndrome ye kasa nephrotic syndrome a yare bi a affect kidney no which is marked by hyperalbuminemia, hypercholesterolemia, hyperlipidemia and generalized edema na mo ahohono wanima ahohono ye kasa kidney yare na baako so ni nephritis, inflammation of the kidney afenso yes our glomerulonephritis, inflammation of the glomerular structure and the nephrons on the part of the kidney no and now finally wakwakodru EKD, end stage kidney disease and the oya hwia enyeye ye wose ya ne say either say be kidney transplant amount and I say ye do beto dialysis so obekọ dialysis week bi anu akotua 800 Ghana kidney na dwuma wo say yanke sone moja ne nsuo so no kidney ntimi nye enti de be ya ne say ye do beto machine so dialysis na no machine dialysis no ono na ye sa kidney na dwuma ana say ye be your kidney transplant odofo minim say pese o kidney be say eti teaching say am ye wo be share video no na obi ahu bi e kwan ben ene ye be fa so ye be si kidney ano kwan de di kan drink enough water me no ka say I'm sipping my glass of water. That is just by the way. Drink enough water. Avoid smoking. Avoid too much alcohol. Also, the intake of salt in chinen so avoid excessive intake of sugar as well. Check your blood pressure consistently and periodically. Ta check your BP na us e kosra na wasi ano kwan afi so ta check your sugar continual check of your sugar level. Check your sugar na hu se sugar no enisro udi teaching sia machiro nyina chi a inshallah nyame tumi nso ebe kan ho na kidney yare a